Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Do you have your tennis shoes on? Are you ready to move? You know when you click on this video, you know what time it is. How y'all guys doing? So I got another classic for you. Yes, it's called Be Love. It is a one-wall dance. Instructors, take your time to teach your people the classics. Because if you travel, no matter where you go, they're going to play these line dances. So there's no need of just sitting on the side and watching it. They're not going anywhere. So let me tell you something about these line dances. Like over a period of time, it's taking the dance changes on the floor. It has a different vibe to it. So I'm going to go through that. Like originally when the instructor taught it, the choreographer, it didn't change over the period of time, okay? So as I look at that, I'm like, do I teach it the original way or the way that they do it on the floor? So I'll teach it the way that they do it on the floor as of right now, but I'll also go through the original, show you what the original part is, okay? So just be mindful of that. When I teach you another line dance, I'm really teaching you the essence of the dance. So you might go out on to an event or whatever, and they say, oh, well, they did a step chevron, or they did a lock step or a triple step or whatever. I'm really trying to get as close as possible, so you might have to make a little modification, okay? So keep that in mind. I might not be directly on point, but also I always refer you to the choreographer and always follow them. They are first, okay? So the name of this dance is Be Love. Be Love. It is a one-wall dance. It's actually a great line dance, and I'm gonna teach you the step-by-step instructions. So if you or someone you know is in the New Orleans area, hook them up with me. Let's Mess It Up So Line Dancing. Call me at 504-251-0674. So guys, let's go. So I'm going to, what side of the room are we going to stand in? Right here. We're going to be here on this side of the room. Okay, so it starts with a shuffle up. Right, heel, left heel. And then left heel is going to go back, front, back, step. Okay. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, left heel, go back, front, back, step. Okay. Here we go. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Shuffle up on the right, hold on the left, and go back, front, back, front. From here, we're going to shuffle forward on the right foot, right, step, pivot, half. Okay? Then we're going to do a knee up, and then fan our knees to the right. Or it's really your heels. Goes to the left, and you go to the right, heel. Now this part here, the original part of the dance, is to let you know, is really a 3/4 turn, okay? So the original dance is, when you shuffle up, it's a 3/4 turn, okay? But now they do a half turn. So you can elect to do whatever you want. Because of my knees and ankle, I'm gonna do a half, which is what they do now when they do this dance. But the original choreography is a 3/4 turn. Okay, please keep that in mind. So I went right, step, pivot, knee up, and fan. Okay, so I did a half turn, then I did a fan to the right, a 1/4 turn. But that turn is a 3/4 turn. Okay, but I'm gonna do it as they do it now. Okay. So, but I really wanted to acknowledge the original choreography, okay? But I have seen the choreographer do a half turn. Sometimes line dance takes its own life of his own, and you just go with it. You know, choreographers like, I'm glad you're doing my dance, okay? So, let's do a review. We shuffle up on the right. Right, left, hold left, and left, go back, front, back, step, shuffle, right step, pivot, half, knee up, and fan. Okay, my knees go to the right, my heel go to the left. All right, then you step right, left. Okay, so after you do your fan, step right, step left. Well, let's add that. 5, 6, 7, right up. 1 and 2, hold 3, 4, back 5, or 6 and 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, knee up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, we're going to make a quarter turn to the left. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right, left, making that quarter turn. You're looking back at me, and all I'm going to do is bring my right shoulder forward. All this is going to be half turns, okay? Now moving it forward, right, left, left shoulder forward, left, right, right shoulder forward, right, left, and left, right, left. Okay, so originally it's 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is your initial turn. From here, after stepping right, left is quarter, right, left. Then the shoulder come back, it'll be half turn, 4 half turns. Right, left with a triple step, left, right with a triple step, right, left with a triple step, and left, right with a triple step. Okay, now, you're looking back at the camera, so this is what I want to do. Why don't you stand on this side and let's go. Did I go through this wall? Let's stand on this side of the room, okay? Shuffle it up. 5, 6 from the top. Right, left, hold, back, forward, back, step. Shuffle, pivot, knee up, and fan. Right heel, left heel. Quarter turn to your left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and left, right. Okay? This is what I want you to see, because I'm going to move forward here, and I want you to see what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's do it again. Stand on this side, looking forward here. Shuffling up on your right. 5, 6, 7, and right, hold left heel, go back, forth, and forth. Step, right, pivot half, knee up, knee half, fan to the right, knees go to the right, heels go to the left. Come back here. So I did a quarter turn, fan, come back here, step right, step left, quarter turn, right, left. The shoulder always come forward. Right, left with a triple step. Left, right with a triple step. Right, left with a triple step. And left, right with a triple step. Okay? Those are half turns with the shoulder coming forward. So we moved in this direction. Now we're going to move back in this direction. We're going to go right, tap up and back, right, tap back and up, right, up and back, right, left. That's the dance. And we turn back to this wall. It's a one-wall dance. I'm going to give you the count. Okay, I just want you to get the steps. Okay, so what we did was shuffle. Right, tap to the front. Right, tap to the back. Right, tap to the front. And right, turn back to this wall. So my left shoulder came back, quarter turn. And that's the dance. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, hold 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, step 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, knee up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, triple 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, tap 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, back 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And leave that heel up so you can go 1 and 2, heel 3, 4. Yes? We're going to go through it again. That's Be Love, a one-wall dance. It is a classic, a Philly classic. Y'all got to teach those classics. They're not going anywhere. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Hold 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, step 8. It's 1 and 2. Half 3, 4. Knee up. 5, 6, bend. 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And there you go. All right? So that is Be Love. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Am I teaching too slow? Too fast? Let me know. To all those individuals that leave in a comment, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm going to always reply to you, okay? Thank you for taking the time to give me feedback, okay? That's what motivates me to turn on that camera and get to this wall and teach these line dances when I hear from you. So I will, when we dance together, you want to dance with me, make sure you have all the steps. I'll pin the video at the end of this instructional, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please share these videos with your instructors, with your student instructors, with your students. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.